to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I am honored for the opportunity to speak to you about a way of life. A way of life that promises to re-energize and breathe life into the stagnated space too many of us occupy. Today's topic: Everyday Enlightenment, living a life of purpose and joy, came to me through a conversation with my friend, Miss Donna Thompson. I invite you to take a walk with me on a path of everyday enlightenment, living a life of purpose and joy. This walk is not about fleeting moments of insight, but a sustained awakening to the beauty and wisdom that exists around us daily. I encourage you to take a moment and picture a life where each second, each minute, each hour, each day is an opportunity for growth, for connection, for happiness. A life where you wake up each day not just to exist, but to live deeply, surrounded by the wonder of life's richness. And so, this is the true essence of everyday enlightenment. It is about seeing the world and ourselves with fresh eyes, appreciating the interconnectedness of all things big and small, and understanding that every person, creature, and object has a story, a lesson, and a unique beauty. Please allow me to ask you a few questions. When was the last time you honestly paused to appreciate the stream of sunlight through the trees? When was the last time you felt the pulse of the city's heartbeat as your own? Have you considered the silent stories of the people you interact with or those who pass by you daily? This enlightenment is about embracing the spectacular and the subtle. It is about recognizing the extraordinary in the ordinary. It is about shifting from a mindset of enduring life to cherishing it in all its complexity and beauty in all its glory. I now challenge you. I challenge you to reflect. Are you merely moving through your days or living purposefully and joyfully? Are you? Do you feel connected to the deeper rhythms of life, or are you caught in the superficial hustle? I want you to understand this. I want you to know that it is not too late to shift your perspective. It is not too late to make a change. You can begin by noticing, engaging, and questioning the world with passion and with all of your curiosity. And let this not be a rare occurrence. Let it be a daily practice of yours. Today, as you're approaching a significant milestone in your life, I urge you, I encourage you to listen. I encourage you to act. Embrace the beauty, the struggle, and the joy of life. I encourage you, I urge you to commit to this path of everyday enlightenment, to illuminate your inner self and cast a new light on the world around you, a new light in your family, a new light in your community. Let us walk this path together, supporting each other toward a more enlightened, joyful existence, a more enlightened, joyful life. The world needs more enlightened hearts and minds. Let us rise to the occasion today and every day hereafter. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.